Yeah, I got a Cooper hawk drying off. Having a little shower here. Got his tail all fanned out. Juvenile Cooper hawk. Oh yeah, a nice horizontal limb here, and see all the wonderful bars on his tail. This is a juvenile drying off, so it rained pretty good last night, so I'm sure they're all wanting to be fanned out and drying off. I'm starting to see a few of the other birds in the berry bushes, and that's why he's here. He's drying off and hunting, so. Got his hackles up to the back of his head there a little bit. We're just making our little bird count. We're on the trail hiking around the pond here and seeing exactly what's in the area. Oh yeah, I'm going to do the breast feathers a little bit. Oh yeah, we'll keep an eye on him a little bit here. There we go. Yeah, I can see him working on his wing there, top of his wing. Alright, well, we'll check around then.